What's going on, Pyro Nation? Today I'm uploading a video, some firecrackers I've been buying, and some bricks and some small packs. I've been trying to start collecting these things, but just don't got any time to make videos, or whenever I'm able to pick some of this stuff up. I got a brick of woodpeckers here. I'm not sure what the count on is, but it looks pretty old. And I got a brick of ducks here. I got a brick of these rattlesnakes crackers. Those, I don't think those are that old. Um, I'm not sure what the count is on these, but anyways, I got a brick of these mermaid crackers right here. And you got a brick of these Black Widow 4050s. These aren't that old. And this one right here is I'm not sure what brand these are. They're made by Flower Basket, but it doesn't say what they're called. It just says bomb on them. And there's 5 strips of 300 in that one. I got some crazy robots, some Mamba crackers there. I got some penny packs here of the Duck brand crackers. A couple in there. Got some more penny packs here. These are made by Lightning Bolt. Oh, there's a couple in there. I got some of these Bullseye, some Nitro Bombs, some Night Raiders, some Gangster crackers. And got some pack of these ducks. Nothing special. I have these Wiseguy Crackers. Can't see with the glare. Got this small pack of Texas Outlaw Crackers. Got these Air Thunders. Got a couple packs of those. There's some more. There's like 5 packs. I do have these. These are... You can't really see the label in them. Say George or Jorge or something like that. I know these aren't American. They kind of look like cracker bombs or crackling balls, something like that, but as you can tell, there's a lot of flash in the package. Trying to get this to zoom in. It's in another language, I don't know. There's a pack of Dr. X brand firecrackers, head bomb or something like that. There's a pack of these Phoenix firecrackers. I don't know. I also got these other ones. It's they're match crackers, demon petards. Never shot them before. I've never had them before. But there's that. I got these slammer crackers. Got 2 boxes of those. And I have these I guess Bermuda triangles, you can say. I don't really know much on those. I mean, they're just bangs. I have these all of y'all know what these are. Everybody has them. Got 6 packs of those. And I have these whistling thunder crackers. There's 3 packs of those. I also have these big boss flowers. I have 4 of those. And some more crazy robots. Now to these 50 strips. They're not that old. I just picked them up from a guy. Got these prairie chickens. There's 3 packs of those. Have these M80 brand crackers. There's 3 of those. These Warrior brand crackers. There's like 4 or 5 of those. These Chinese junk crackers. Cherry bomb crackers. More of the Black Widow crackers. And I have these pack of Mad Dog crackers. I have these Thunder Bombs by Horse brand. I have this Double Bang crackers. So we got these Goldfish brand, Golden Fish. I have these Pagodas. I have 2 of those. And here's some more of the Dr. Head Bomb or Dr. X Head Bombs or whatever. Got a couple of those. Have these Great Wall crackers. Got a couple strips of those. And these Rocket crackers. And for last I have this roll of Firecrackers. They're all red crackers. I don't know, I picked it up in a stand out in the middle of nowhere. A lot of this stuff picked up from a local guy, but I want to try to add more to the collection, try to get into the older stuff. I know all of this stuff is the new stuff. I just didn't have much of a collection, and I just started buying, you know, whatever I could get my hands on. I also have these homemade crackers, you know, they're just big firecrackers. And here's some more cherry bombs or whatever. Nothing special. But I'm definitely gonna try to make some videos now that I have a couple of days off of work. I'm gonna try to. I have a whole bunch of posters from Winda Brothers and Mega Banger from the shells and stuff. I'm gonna try to do a giveaway, and I'm trying to make another video. I'm also gonna try to post another video for my rocket stash and my Roman candle stash. I got quite a bit of different kind of product that I just been holding on to for like the past 10 years or so, and I'm just gonna make a video, upload a video on them, and just to so I can open up those boxes and go through it. I haven't gone through them in quite a while, so just gonna make a video on some of the stuff I got, you know, stashed, and we'll go from there. But for sure, if y'all subscribe, y'all rate, and comment, you know. Thanks.